How to travel with kids and tips and tricks for a stress-free vacation. Planning is key for a smooth trip to Vanuatu with kids. Research the best times to visit and book family-friendly accommodations early. Opt for places with a kids club or babysitting services. Create a packing checklist. Don't forget a first aid kit, snacks, and entertainment for the kids. Carry a change of clothes on hand for those little mishaps. Ensure passports and visas are in order. Carry a copy of your child's birth certificate and don't forget travel insurance. Traveling with kids means being flexible. Plan around their routines and involve them in the itinerary. Communication is crucial. Select accommodations with amenities like pools and playgrounds. Proximity to attractions saves travel time and keeps kids happy. Dive into Vanuatu's culture. Attend festivals and encourage your kids to participate in local activities. It's educational and fun. Explore Vanuatu's natural wonders. Snorkel, hike, or visit wildlife parks. These activities are enjoyable and help kids appreciate nature. Introduce your kids to Vanuatu's cuisine. Visit markets for fresh local treats. Lead by example and try new dishes together. Teach your kids simple local phrases. It enhances the experience and shows respect for the culture. Most importantly, enjoy your vacation. Make memories and take time to unwind. Remember, it's about family time and creating lasting bonds. Stay safe, hydrated, and respectful of local customs. With these tips, your family trip to Vanuatu will be an unforgettable adventure.